Hey, I'm Lauren White and I'm a graduate of Kate Toon's Recipe for SEO Success course. What drew me to Kate's course was reading one of the testimonials basically. I read it and thought, holy crap, that could be me in 3 to 6 months time if I put in some hard yakka. Just seeing those results just was worth so much to me because my business does rely so much on Google. And I thought, right, I have to do this course. It's been long enough. I've been trying to do things my own way. I've, unplugged a few things here and there. I've sort out some kinks, but I really needed to get real about what was working, what wasn't working, and above all, to not be so scared of looking at the data, because that was a really big block for me, being someone who's very much into feelings and sensations. I was like, data, oh. But I've since overcome that fear from doing Kate's course, and one of the biggest changes that I've made is created more backlinks for my site to work to boost its authority. I've also really cleaned up the way that I blog so it flows a lot better, and done some tech stuff that was within my comfort zone. What I love about the course is the live calls. I loved getting on them and just hearing the repetition of things again and again and again, because that really helped install a lot of the learning. And I appreciated how it helped me draw the line between what I could do for myself and what I needed to outsource. And that became a lot clearer for me from going through the modules and doing the work. So if you want to do this course, be prepared to do the work to see the outcomes and to see your income grow and your website traffic grow. It's about gently tweaking 1,000 little pieces, more so than doing one big thing that's going to revolutionize your website and therefore your business. So if you put the hard yakka in, it's going to come back to you tenfold. And I'm loving seeing the results that I've had, and I've got no doubt that in the next 3 months or so, those results are going to be amplified, as well as Google starts to catch up on all the juice that's in my website. So I've loved the course. I love that I've got it for life. It's really given me a massive kick up the butt. And don't hesitate, just reconceptualize the payment that you make and the effort that you put back in, as it's going to come back to you. So don't fret about that. Don't be tight about it, because a website is still number one. It still beats social media every day as your virtual storefront. So I hope that helps, and I've loved the course and all that it's given back to me.